Hello, in today's vlog, I will explain the importance of mental health. Mental health affects how we feel, think, and act, influencing how we handle stress, related to others, and make decisions. It's important at every stage of life. Physical activities that support mental health includes playing musical instruments enhances creativity and focus through music. Stretching focuses on physical benefits like flexibility. Yoga combines physical movement with mindful breathing. Dance expresses emotion through rhythmical movement. Strength training builds muscle by contracting against resistance. Outdoor activities boost creativity and self-confidence. Team sports involves working with others towards a common goal.